Well, hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how loud is my car and would it meet the California requirement of 95 decibels. Now, as you guys, if you follow the build, you know this car has a Borla S-Type along with the APR Downpipe. However, it's a catted downpipe with a resonated Borla exhaust with the Borla muffler on there. So I have a muffler, resonator, and a catalytic converter. So, I mean, technically I am legal. It's just a matter of how noisy is the car. So right in front of you guys, right here is my decibel meter. It's a phone app, so it can only be so accurate. And I think the app is called Decibel X. So this is gonna measure to see if my car meets the requirement. If you want to know how accurate this app is, you could probably just go online and it'll maybe give you a ballpark as to how accurate it is at picking up the sound levels. But for the most part, we're just going to be revving this car in my driveway. I'm going to try to do both pops and non-pops, but I think for the most part when you rev this thing, because it's already warm, we'll probably be getting a lot of pops and cracks. So I'll hold the camera over my phone. You guys will kind of see what this thing measures out to be. So here we go. All right, go. Well, as you guys saw, I mean, that was so loud. I mean, I was seeing readings up to 110, maybe even more. I'll have to look at the footage. I was kind of really, my ears were ringing after that. This thing is so loud when it goes on the pops mode. It is so loud. I mean, like, it's ear piercing. And this has the muffler, the resonator, just like I said, it has all the stuff you need in an exhaust for legal, but it's still too loud. It's over 95 decibels. I really do not think this exhaust would cut it. I think maybe if I didn't have the pops and crackles tuned for the APR stage 2, if I just ran the traditional stage 2, this thing would be able to drive in California legally. But luckily I'm in New Hampshire. As you guys can see, we have all this snow on the ground, and you know, I'm pretty lucky about that. So I really love it here in New Hampshire where I can drive a car this noisy. So, and I love California too. As you guys will see, I'll insert a clip right here. I drive super noisy in California. We rent typically Jaguar F-types because I just love that car. And yeah, so regardless, so yeah, this is really interesting. The car does not pass, and I kind of expected that. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.